Gordon, they've named a steam train after you. Look, it's this one here. And proof that it is your train. Whoa. Your very own train, and it's blue. You're in Thomas the Tank Engine as well, Gordon. I bet you there isn't a Jane train, which is very distressing.